In January 2021, a dying video game retailer became the center of the biggest financial revolt in modern history. Amateur traders using a Reddit forum took on Wall Street billionaires and won. Hedge funds lost billions. Billionaires cried on live television. And it all started with a company that most people thought was worthless. GameStop was the blockbuster of video games, a relic from the mall era, bleeding money as gaming went digital. Wall Street agreed it was doomed. Massive hedge funds like Melvin Capital borrowed GameStop shares and sold them, betting the stock would crash. This is called short selling, and they were making billions as GameStop died. But they made one crucial mistake: they shorted more shares than actually existed. They got greedy and the internet noticed. On a Reddit forum called WallStreetBets, amateur traders discovered Wall Street's GameStop scheme. These weren't professional investors. They were college students, retail workers, and people trading from their bedrooms. They realized that if enough people bought GameStop stock, they could force the hedge funds into a catastrophic loss. The plan was brilliant in its simplicity. If everyone bought and held GameStop shares, the price would skyrocket. The hedge funds would eventually need to buy back their borrowed shares at whatever price the market demanded. The Reddit traders could name their price. The battle cry became "Diamond Hands" and "Hold the Line." What started as a few thousand people quickly became millions. In late January 2021, GameStop stock exploded. It went from $20 to over $400 in days. Hedge funds were hemorrhaging money, billions of dollars vanishing as amateur traders celebrated online. Wall Street panicked. Melvin Capital, a hedge fund managing $13 billion, lost so much money it needed a bailout. Other funds faced margin calls and potential bankruptcy. Billionaire investors went on financial news shows, literally crying about their losses. The Reddit traders were ecstatic. Regular people were beating Wall Street at its own game, using the same tactics hedge funds had used for decades. But then the establishment fought back. Trading platforms like Robinhood suddenly stopped allowing people to buy GameStop stock. They claimed it was for market protection, but users could still sell, conveniently helping the hedge funds. The message was clear: when regular people win, the rules change. Congressional hearings followed. Reddit users testified alongside billionaire hedge fund managers, creating surreal scenes of college students explaining trading strategy to senators while Wall Street executives made excuses. The GameStop squeeze gradually ended as trading restrictions and market manipulation took their toll, but the damage to Wall Street's reputation was permanent. Powerful institutions,